The Maverick has another debate to settle this evening. A debate we wish we had more often. Courtesy of two high-quality goals scored by Arnett Gardens talisman Marvin Morgan in last night's Monday night game against Portmore United. A sweet half volley early in the first half to score one of the goals of the season. Truly high-quality strike from a talented player. The game went to and fro with Arnett and Portmore exchanging leads. And with Portmore leading 2-1 minutes before the final whistle, Morgan popped up again at the end of some good passing and interchanging to volley home from the edge of the box to earn Arnett a share of the points. And the question is, which one of these two goals was the better goal? Was it that sweet half volley early in the game? Or was it that crucial under pressure volley in time added on? Well, before the Maverick makes the ruling, let me say this, it's a long time we don't see these kind of exquisite finishes in a local Premier League game. Them kind of goals are what we see in La Liga and EPL on the television. And people talk about, oh, them ballers are great and they are world class and blah, blah, blah. Well, we need more moments like these in the Red Stripe Premier League. Anyway, all things considered, degree of difficulty, impact on the result, the pressure of the situation, the Maverick says the second game-tying goal is the bigger of the two big goals by Marvin Mr. Man Morgan. Yes, 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 a world-class finish in the Bush League.